Hello boys and girls, welcome back to another English language lesson for grade 7. I'm Sir Jared, and today we want to look at common and proper nouns. What do we want to look at? Common and proper nouns. So I need you to sit back, relax, and enjoy as we learn about these two types of nouns. Now, what is a noun? A noun is a part of speech that names a person, place, thing, idea, action, or quality. Nouns are an important part of speech in English. It is difficult to say much without using a noun. There are several types of English nouns. It is often used to recognize what type a noun is because different types sometimes have different rules. This helps you to use them correctly. Now let's look at common nouns. Most nouns are common nouns. Common nouns refer to people, places, and things in general, like chair or dog. Any noun that is not a name is a common noun. So what you find, boys and girls, that common nouns, they are very general. They are non-specific. For example, we have what? Teacher, car, music, danger, receipt. So we see what? We see that all of these words, they're very general, they're non-specific. Have you seen my dog? The books are on your desk. Now in those two sentences there, what do you find? When we say dog, we have that word highlighted. Which dog? We don't have a specific name, he's just saying dog. And dog can refer to, there are a lot of dogs. And then we have books in the second sentence. The books are on your desk. Notice how general. Which book or which books? Which desk in particular? So common nouns, they are very general. Proper nouns. Names of people, places, or organizations are proper nouns. Your name is a proper noun. So my name is Jared. Jared is a proper noun. London is a proper noun. United Nations is a proper noun. Rule. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter, and I want to repeat that again. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. So this is a hint or a clue to help you identify proper nouns in sentences. For example, Jane, Thailand, Sunday, James Bond, Einstein, Superman, Game of Thrones, Shakespeare. Now what do you notice about these examples? They are very specific. So whereas when we look at common nouns, they're non-specific, proper nouns, they are very specific and they start with a capital letter. Very good, boys and girls. Let me introduce you to Mary. Look at that sentence there. Who does he want to introduce you to? Mary. He doesn't say, let me introduce you to this girl. He uses the word Mary. Now, Mary is very specific, so you know what? This is the direct person that he wants to introduce you to. The capital of Italy, the capital of where he didn't say the capital of a country, the capital of Italy is Rome. Notice how those two words are very specific. Let's continue, boys and girls. He is the chairman of the British Broadcasting Corporation. So he's a chairman of where he didn't say he's the chairman of a committee, an organization, or a company. They're very specific. British Broadcasting Corporation. I was born in November. The sentence doesn't say I was born in a month. I was born when? In November. So November is a proper noun. It's very much specific. Note, adjectives that we make from proper nouns also usually start with a capital letter. For example, Shakespearean or Orwellian. So I'll repeat that. Adjectives that we make from proper nouns also usually start with a capital letter. Let's continue. Now it's activity time. You are going to state the type of noun that is underlined in each of the sentences below. Let me repeat that. You are going to state the type of noun that is underlined in each of the sentences below. The family will eat at the table. The family will eat at the table. So we have the noun family underlined. And this noun is a common or a proper noun. What is your answer? Common noun, very good. It's not specific to say which family, just says the family. Let's continue. We traveled down the Berbice River. We traveled down the Berbice River. Berbice River. Is this a common noun or a proper noun? What is your answer? Proper noun. So which river? The Berbice River. And I want you to notice the capitalization there. Capital B and capital R. All right. The bear climbed up the tree. The bear climbed up the tree, and we have the noun bear. Is this a common noun or a proper noun? A common noun. Which bear? It's not specific. Next. The Amazon Warriors are a good cricket team. The Amazon Warriors are a good cricket team. Common or proper noun? Proper noun. It's the specific name of a team. We're doing well so far. Let's continue, boys and girls. The teacher writes notes on the blackboard. The teacher writes notes on the blackboard, and we have blackboard on the line. Is this a common or a proper noun? Common noun. It's not specific, it's general. Which blackboard? Be careful around the rattlesnake. Be careful around the rattlesnake. So we have a rattlesnake is the word on the line. Is this a proper noun or a common noun? Proper noun. It's specific. Which snake? The rattlesnake. Capital R. Let's continue. Republic Bank is painted in blue and white. Republic Bank is painted in blue and white. What is your answer? Is this a proper or a common noun? Proper noun. Very good. Which bank? Republic Bank. And we have the capital R. Her blue eyes instantly captured his attention. Her blue eyes instantly captured his attention. Eyes, proper noun or common noun? Common noun. Very good. Let's move on to activity 2. Now your task is to underline the common nouns in the sentences below. Let me repeat that. Underline the common nouns in the sentences below. The watercourse was blocked with debris after the heavy rainfall. The water course was blocked with debris after the heavy rainfall. Identify the common nouns in the following sentence. What is your answer? All right, so the first common noun in the sentence, water course. The second one, debris. And the third one, rainfall. Notice how they are non-specific. Let's move to the next one. Sandra placed dinner on the table. Sandra placed dinner on the table. What is your answer? All right, dinner being the first common noun and table being the second common noun. Very good. Now what you're going to do here now in activity 3, you're going to underline the proper nouns in the sentences below. You're going to do what, boys and girls? Underline the proper nouns in the sentences below. Mr. Ramnarine, my teacher, will be retiring next September. Mr. Ramnarine, my teacher, will be retiring next September. What is your answer? Mr. Ramnarine is very specific. And notice we have my teacher. Who is the teacher? Mr. Ramnarine. And when is he retiring? September, in the month of September. And look at the capitalization there of the R and the S. Very good. Let's continue. James and Adele are cousins. James and Adele are cousins. What is your answer? James and Adele. Very good, boys and girls. We have capital J for James, capital A for Adele. Now I want to thank you for participating in class today, boys and girls. I hope you had a great time learning about common nouns and proper nouns. I hope that you're now able to properly differentiate between the two. Until we meet again, I'm Sir Jared and I'm out.